Jai Gurudev. Today we are joined by leading experts in meditation, technology, and spirituality. We will explore how modern technological advancements can enhance the effectiveness of art of living practices such as meditation, Sudarshan Kriya, Pranayama, and the teachings of His Holiness Gurudev Shri Shri Ravi Shankar Ji. The focus will be on how tools like smartphones, AI, cloud computing, and other cutting edge technologies can make these ancient practices more accessible, effective, and personalized. Let's dive right in. To begin, could you share your thoughts on how advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence, AI, and cloud computing can be integrated into spiritual practices like meditation and Sudarshan Kriya? Absolutely, AI, particularly machine learning and neural networks, can be used to personalize meditation practices. For example, AI can track a practitioner's progress over time, analyzing data from wearables to identify when they are most receptive to meditation. This data driven approach can suggest optimal meditation techniques for each individual. With the cloud computing, we can host these data driven insights securely and scale this personalization globally. Adding to that, cloud computing also enables seamless access to art of living courses and resources. Students can now access these programs from anywhere in the world, whether via an app on their phone or through online platforms. This scalability ensures that Gurudev's wisdom reaches a large audience, helping people integrate meditation into their daily lives, even remotely. That is fascinating. Moving on to some more niche technologies. How can quantum computing and blockchain play a role in meditation and spiritual practices? Quantum computing is still in its nascent stages, but one of its potential applications could be in enhancing the speed and processing power of meditation apps. Imagine apps that not only track heart rate and brainwave activity, but also use quantum algorithms to predict the optimal state of a calm person might achieve during meditation. As for blockchain, it could create a secure platform for sharing spiritual experiences and teachings. Using decentralized apps, the app's users could securely exchange insights or even verify their meditation milestones without compromising privacy. Yes, blockchain could be transformative for creating a digital spiritual ledger where users track their personal journeys, milestones, and transformations. This could also foster a community oriented approach to spirituality, ensuring that practices are authentically shared. That's very interesting. Let's talk about the practical side of things. How can tools like smartphones and apps enhance daily spiritual practices, especially with the growing demand for convenience? The evolution of smartphones has allowed spiritual practices to be with us 24/7. Apps now offer guided meditation, real time feedback on breathing, and even live sessions with Art of Living instructors. Smartphones are also integrated with IoT devices that monitor stress levels and help users practice mindfulness or Sudarshan Kriya when stress peaks. This instantaneous feedback and guidance keep individuals connected to their spiritual journey even during hectic days. Furthermore, AI driven meditation apps can integrate with the voice assistants, allowing people to practice meditation, pranayama, or Sudarshan Kriya at any time of the day. These apps can adapt based on individual preferences, providing personalized reminders, insights, and progress reports to deepen the practice. With so many people now engaging with spirituality digitally, what role do augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, play in enhancing the immersive experience of meditation? AR and VR have enormous potential in meditation and mindfulness. Imagine immersing yourself in a virtual environment that replicates serene settings, beaches, forests, or temples while practicing Sudarshan Kriya. This creates a more immersive experience that helps the mind transcend distractions. VR also allows for immersive live sessions with Gurudev or other spiritual leaders, offering an experience that is as close to in person as possible, no matter where you are in the world. The integration of AR could help with real time interactive breathing exercises. For instance, an app could overlay a virtual guide showing you the correct breathing patterns during pranayama or Sudarshan Kriya. These immersive experiences engage the user more deeply, which can lead to better results. Let's also touch upon data driven meditation. How can data science and machine learning contribute to personalized meditation journeys? Data science allows us to analyze vast amounts of user data to optimize meditation experiences. By collecting data on physical responses like heart rate, brainwave patterns, and breathing rhythms, we can understand what techniques work best for a person at a specific time. For instance, predictive analytics could suggest a specific breathing exercise or meditation based on your current stress levels or emotional state, tailoring each session for maximum impact. What about the role of wearable technology in improving the meditation experience? Wearables are game changers. Devices like smartwatches or biofeedback sensors can monitor heart rate variability (HRV), which is an indicator of stress or relaxation. These wearables could be synced with the meditation apps to provide real time biofeedback, alerting the user when they are entering a deeper meditative state or when they need to adjust their technique. The combination of wearables and meditation can bring an unprecedented level of precision to spiritual practice. Finally, how do you see the future of meditation, pranayama, and art of living practices in the next decade, especially with the continued advancement in technology? In the coming decade, I foresee a seamless fusion of technology and spirituality. Meditation practices will be further integrated into everyday life through advanced wearables, AI driven insights, and immersive virtual experiences. Imagine AI powered systems that adjust your meditation routine according to your personal data, making it increasingly customized. This will allow Gurudev's teachings to touch lives more effectively, even reaching people who might have otherwise never encountered these practices. I agree the future of meditation is personalized, accessible, and deeply integrated into technology from AI guided meditations to virtual spiritual communities. Technology will bring people closer to Gurudev's teachings and make it easier for them to experience lasting transformation. We are looking at a future where people's spiritual growth is constantly nurtured by technology and spirituality itself becomes an integral part of human existence in the digital age. Thank you, everyone, for your valuable insights. It's clear that the integration of modern technology like AI, blockchain, and VR with the ancient practices like meditation, pranayama, and Sudarshan Kriya offers a bright future for spirituality. We look forward to seeing how these innovations will further the reach and effectiveness of His Holiness Gurudev Shri Shri Ravi Shankarji's teachings worldwide. Thank you for your time and having us. It's truly an exciting time for the convergence of technology and spirituality. Jai Gurudev. Jai Gurudev, over the years, technology, computers, smartphones, and emerging fields has transformed many industries. Spiritual practices such as meditation, pranayama, Sudarshan Kriya, and various art of living courses have also evolved through these advancements. Can you share your thoughts on how technology, especially new developments in areas like AI, cloud computing, and mobile applications, can enhance the effectiveness of these spiritual practices and the wisdom of His Holiness Gurudev Shri Shri Ravi Shankarji? It's a very interesting and timely question. Technology has greatly accelerated the reach and depth of spiritual practices worldwide. In the case of Art of Living, the teachings of Gurudev Shri Shri Ravi Shankarji are about expanding awareness and achieving mental peace. Technologies such as AI and machine learning can help optimize personal meditation experiences based on data driven insights. For instance, AI can analyze biometric data like heart rate variability and suggest customized meditation or Sudarshan Kriya schedules. Apps like the Art of Living mobile application can provide a personalized learning path taking into account an individual's stress levels, moods, and practical history or practice history. I completely agree. We can look at how technologies like AI and machine learning can help personalize and improve the meditation journey. Apps and platforms designed with natural language processing (NLP) can also enable us to interact more intuitively with the content. For example, NLP can be used for voice-enabled future features where the app recognizes stress or anxiety in the user's tone and then recommends specific breathing exercises or meditation practices that can help address it. Additionally, cloud computing allows us to scale these practices to reach millions across the globe, creating a truly connected and supportive community. Absolutely. And another promising area is virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR. Imagine immersing yourself in a serene virtual environment while performing Sudarshan Kriya or Pranayama. The immersive experience could help deepen the practice by enabling a person to visualize and engage with the teachings on a much more profound level. As we explore VR and AR, we can create immersive guided meditation spaces that stimulate the tranquil environments where Gurudev often conducts retreats. This can be especially beneficial for people who are unable to attend physical events. Another fascinating prospect is integrating robotics and IoT with spiritual practices. Consider a meditation room equipped with IoT sensors that monitor your breathing or body postures, suggesting adjustments in real time to improve focus and relaxation. Robotics could also be used for guided movements in yoga practices, providing real time biofeedback to ensure that the practitioner is aligned in their postures. These innovations could be integrated into classes, helping both beginners and advanced practitioners. When we talk about digital transformation, we also have to consider how we are managing data. As Art of Living's global presence grows, managing data and connecting practitioners across different time zones can be facilitated through cloud computing platforms. We can create integrated ecosystems where live online sessions, recorded content, and personalized meditation routines can be all accessed seamlessly. Data analytics could help in understanding the progress of individual practitioners, offering specific insights that can make their practices even more effective. While we are discussing data, it's also essential to ensure that sensitive health and personal data are protected. As more people turn to online platforms for spiritual learning, safeguarding their privacy and information becomes a top priority. With advancements in cybersecurity such as blockchain, we can create secure, decentralized platforms for meditation sessions and personal reflections, ensuring privacy and integrity of the user experience. One area that is really starting to make a big impact is neurotechnology. Brain computer interfaces, BCIs, and cognitive enhancement technologies can help deepen meditation practices by creating direct connections between the mind and digital devices. Imagine using a BCI to monitor your brain waves and adjusting your meditation techniques based on real time feedback. This can help practitioners achieve deeper states of relaxation, focus, and inner peace. I would also like to add that wearable health technology is another area that has a lot of potential in supporting spiritual practices. Smartwatches and fitness trackers that monitor vital signs like heart rate, blood pressure, and stress levels could be linked with the meditation apps. For example, during a Sudarshan Kriya session, a wearable could alert you when your body is in a state of tension, prompting you to adjust your breathing or posture. The integration of wearable health tech with spiritual practices can allow us to track progress and make more informed decisions about our well being. Looking at it from a behavioral perspective, we also know that the human mind responds well to gamification and reward systems. By using game design principles in meditation apps, we can introduce incentives for regular practice, which could increase user engagement. Imagine earning bridge badges or completing levels as you improve your meditation pranayama or Sudarshan Kriya practice. This could help foster consistency and motivation, particularly among younger practitioners who are more inclined toward digital engagement. Finally, technology can also support sustainability efforts in spiritual practices. For instance, we can use the Internet of Things IoT to monitor the energy consumption of virtual meditation events and reduce carbon footprints through efficient resource management. Given the focus on mindfulness and awareness in art of living practices, it would be an excellent synergy to incorporate eco friendly solutions into the way we conduct and organize meditation and yoga events. These ideas and insights are fascinating. How do you see the future of spiritual practices evolving given the rapid pace of technological change? The future of spiritual practices in the art of living context is incredibly exciting. The wisdom of Gurudev Shri Shri Ravi Shankar Ji can become even more accessible and effective with the help of emerging technologies. By integrating AI, VR, and IoT and other technologies, we can offer personalized, engaging, and immersive experiences to practitioners around the world. These tools can help bring spiritual practices into the everyday day life of a busy tech driven world while still preserving the core essence of Gurudev's teaching, spiritual growth, inner peace, and joy. Technology, when used mindfully, can help create a harmonious balance between modern life and spiritual growth. We have the opportunity to blend ancient wisdom with the advancements of today's world, making spiritual practices like Sudarshan Kriya more accessible, powerful, and relevant than ever before. As technology continues to evolve, so will our capacity for inner transformation. Thank you all for sharing your invaluable insights. The integration of technology and spiritual practices opens up new possibilities for personal transformation, community building, and global spiritual evolution. It's exciting to see how the teachings of Gurudev Shri Shri Ravi Shankar Ji will continue to inspire and guide millions in the digital age. Jai Jai Gurudev.